There is nothing worse, quite frankly, than feeling like someone has taken advantage of you, or that you feel helpless when you notice that someone might be doing an action that could harm other people. In the program, Character Counts, doesn't it? We really explore the issues of what creates our ethics and our values. What are the sources that come into play that help determine how we will react to a situation that comes upon us unexpectedly? See, here's what the reality is, and I really have been faced with this many times in my business career, that a ethical dilemma is picking between two rights, such as mercy and justice. How do I even begin to think how I'm going to handle this situation if I have no basis from which to draw upon? There are things called codes of ethics, codes of conduct. Some are dictated by the law, and some are dictated by the associations that you belong to. They typically will have articles and standards of practice, the articles being thou shalt and thou shalt not, and the articles will be, for example, here's how this is actually applied. In Character Counts, it's important to know that you as a participant will have the opportunity to analyze different types of ethical dilemmas that come into play and talk with other group members to determine how you would handle that situation. Sometimes there's incredible value when we get the chance to be able to share with each other what it is that we know and our perspective in relationship to a situation. But what it does is gives us a benchmark on which to be able to evaluate our own behavior. Character Counts, doesn't it, is very, very close to my heart. I have learned that there is a line in the concrete that I have drawn, not a line in the sand. How do I feel about the world around me and the way that people are acting within the world? How do I keep myself under control or within the confines of ethical behavior when I'm working with unethical professionals? Join me for Character Counts, doesn't it? Because I bet you're never going to experience a more fun, more highly interactive, and insightful ethical program. An ethical program. Cool. This is Carol Murray signing off.